Hey, Shape and Hux here. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the dryer door switch on this Kenmore made by Frigidaire stackable. I'm sure we've all seen this before, and the issue is the dryer door doesn't start because this button has gotten sticky or fused together. This has been a pretty obvious issue, of course, but the problem until now is these door switches are NLA, which means you can't buy them. Well, not anymore. We've actually developed our own aftermarket non-OEM door switch. They're equivalent, if not superior, to brand new ones, and this has been a total win for my customers. We've seen a lot of these scrapped over a silly little door switch. So check out our link in our description. You can buy these, and I'll show you how to get this changed out. So the first thing we're going to do is take off these two bottom panel screws. Over here. You got one over here. Next, the panel should just slide up and out. Set that aside. Then we have some sub screws that we need to take out, and then there's also some screws up here. And here are the remaining screws to take. And now with all the screws removed from the console, the whole console should just slide and drop down. Like that. Now the next thing you have to do is just release the dryer door switch. This part's pretty simple. I'm going to cut out and show you a picture of what you need to do, but there's going to be two little tabs. You just reach in and push the tabs, and the whole switch should just slide on out. So now what you're going to see here is the two tabs which hold it in. Real simple, just push each one in. There's one on the left that you can see, one on the right you can see. Just give it a gentle squeeze, and then this whole push button should fall out. And this is a view from inside the dryer. And now that you've pushed the tabs in from the other side, you're just going to pull the dryer switch out, and it should come out pretty easily. All you have to do is use a flathead screwdriver and just stick it between the tabs and pop them. So here's the old switch compared to the new switch. Here's the old one which does not work. You can kind of see the door switch is really sticky and it doesn't have a good tactical spongy fill. And here's the new one. This is the new one that we've developed. It's equivalent if not superior to OEM. Very sturdy, has a good tactical feel, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Again, check out our comments to see a link to buy it. These Frigidaire dryer switches can be really hard to find, but we can buy them brand new from our store. They come with a 1-year warranty. Just see the comments for a link below. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the new dryer door switch in. Once again, just look in our links. In the description, you'll see a link to our store where you can buy one of these online. Just put the wire connectors on. Just shove it back in the hole, and you'll see that there's two fins on it. These are the fins we removed earlier. I was going to push it in, and once you feel a tight, firm snip, it's in. And now we're going to start putting the console back into place. Just make sure the tabs line up and make sure you get a nice firm lock-in fill, and just put the two screws in. Same for the left, same for the right. Next you're going to take your panel that we disassembled, make sure the tabs slide in. Once you feel a firm lock in place, put the remaining two screws in. Thanks for watching this video. I got a really quick question for you before you go. If you're watching this video, you're probably a full-time appliance repair servicer like myself, or maybe you're thinking about starting your own appliance repair business, or maybe you work for an appliance repair company you want to strike out on your own. One of the biggest problems we face is getting COD repair jobs. Let me ask you 3 questions real quick, and if you can answer yes to any of these questions, watch this video just a little bit longer for an answer. First, do you need more COD appliance repair calls? This one's pretty easy. If you're already doing 3, 4, 5 a day, the answer is automatically yes. Most of us want to do 8, 9, or 10. Maybe you're like me. I have enough calls. I'm generally get 8 calls a day, if not more. But as we know, even if you're already busy, it's always better to have a larger pool to choose from. If you can choose from, say, 20 separate COD calls, you're going to choose the best 8 out of those. Maybe 4 dryers, 1 ice maker, and the ones that are near your zip code. So even if you're busy, it's always better to have a larger pool to choose from. That way you can be pickier, you can reduce your zip code, route size, and just choose the best, most profitable calls instead of taking every crazy, far-flung spread apart COD call that comes your way. Do you want to start an appliance repair business and maybe you're not sure to get the jobs? So you're an expert on repairs, you've been doing it for years, you're not an expert at getting COD calls. This is pretty normal because most of us have a core competency of repairing appliances. That's what we've been doing. Getting COD calls is a job in itself. And so this will help you get those calls so you can complete the pie of the parts you're missing to start your own business. Are you sick and tired of deceptive lead generation tricks such as high cost, poor quality leads, empty promises, etc.? Now I won't mention any names here, and we don't need to. A lot of these big lead generation industries are full of bad actors, false promises, high costs, exploitive tactics, lies, deception, con jobs, and there's just lots of self-proclaimed experts just trying to sell you something. One really big lead generation company I started with in the very beginning, it's one that we all know. Their name ends with the word list. I sign up for a lead generation package and get the lead generations, and I get a call from a customer and say, hey, I got a call that you need a dryer maybe. And they would tell me that they've already been contacted by 5 people. So the company was selling the leads to 5 separate companies, and I would never get it. It became just a total rat race, and who wants to join a dogfight? And last, do you want to spend more time repairing and making money or less time at marketing leads and other BS? And this is the big one for me. Time is precious. I make money by having my foot in someone's home, repairing them Samsung dryers. I don't make money by doing endless Google searches on SEO, researching lead generation companies, trying this, trying that, trying this lead generation company, asking questions in Facebook groups all day long. I just don't want to divide my efforts across multiple projects. You just end up diluting your own efforts. We know it's true in life that it's better to be amazing at one thing versus being okay at multiple things. So for me, I'd rather spend all my time and focus on repairing and making money and not trial erroring, trying different lead companies out lead generations and just spending a lot of time on the internet getting nowhere. So you're wondering what's so different about the Proven COD course. As we just discussed, in this space, there's tons of wild claims from lots of different parties. And of course, I'm making yet another claim myself. I'm saying the Proven COD course is different. So what's so different? Well, let me show you really quick what's different about the Proven COD course. Here we go, all killer and no filler. This is a brief overview of why our program is groundbreaking and unmatched. So this is not an SEO program. A few of the modules will cover SEO and paid searches, but that's not the main focus here. Everyone's doing SEO. SEO saturated. All the experts know SEO. Our methods are organic, aka word of mouth, and some other ways. Our methods are pre-Google. Pre-Google means we will steal a lot of jobs before they even have a chance to hit Google. Payroll. Most CD job generation methods are only good for today or whenever you stop paying. The moment you stop paying for leads, your work pipeline dries up. Our methods have inertia and also long-term inertia. Long after you put in the efforts, the leads will just keep coming. In contrast, the millisecond you stop paying Google, Angie, Thumbtack, whoever, your leads will cease. Not with us. Our leads just keep on going. So again, our course is not SEO focused. With traditional SEO, you're competing in a flat world with no barriers to competitors. That's right. Anyone and their brother, located anywhere, including someone several continents away, can set up a Google business page and start burying your Google business listing with lots of ads or more expensive ads. Our COD generation methods have no real competition whatsoever. And even if someone tried, it would be a very hard uphill fight for a competitor to challenge us in our spaces. And we'll show you how to build COD networks in areas which have no competitors. None. This is not a one-trick pony course. Our method will eventually have 10 separate modules with COD generation techniques in diverse categories. Most CDEO methods that you see are just one-trick ponies, which should be summed up to one line really, Google ads. Now I don't knock Google ads or anything like that, but I'm going to show you an array of tactics, some offline, some online, to really diversify. Visibility. Some of the COD generation tactics we will show you are invisible to everyone. We're like the Viet Cong guerrilla fighters here. We're going to be nowhere yet we're still everywhere. A few of the models will show you how to build an invisible army of referral friends which are not on Google. They're not on Google, which means nobody can see them. Your competitors cannot replicate these, and nobody can compete with us. No upfront money required. There's no risk because we don't ask for any money up front. We've all seen the money back guarantee trick. You know, you pay someone hundreds if not thousands of dollars, and they might give you your money back if you prove that you're unhappy or prove that you're unsatisfied, and if they can prove that they can't blame you for the failure. Well, our first few models are free. Our first few training models are completely free, and a lot of the techniques are free to implement. So you can get away with double free. No money from us, and no money for the tools to implement the first few modules. So to be clear, all lead generation methods are going to cost you something, whether it's time or money. But this, of course, eliminates the risk. You can get started with leads that cost nothing and training that costs nothing. And you can proceed with the paid options only if you're convinced that you've gotten value out of the program. We don't need a credit card payment up front or anything like that. Unproven empty promises. And this is a theme in the world of training programs. Most notably, Harvard University doesn't even publish any post-graduation placement figures, nor does Harvard even tell you what the typical graduate makes after graduating from Harvard. The only thing Harvard promises is that you might graduate if you work really hard and that you'll pay them $250,000 a year. That's it. Well, our program is different. It's backed by real-world data and solid empirical numbers so you can calculate how much you're going to make from any given amount of input. For example, we'll show you in one module that X amount of lead generation from this technique will equal X amount of calls. So if you want 10 calls next week, you just simply do this particular action 10 times. It's that simple. Proven, backed by empirical, real-world results. We don't have any experts in this training program. We just have me and a few regular appliance repair guys that really struggle in the beginning, and we found ways to beat the streets. Anyone that tells you're an expert in lead generation is automatically not an expert. This is a rapidly changing field, and no one can be the best at this very long. My only authority here is proven techniques from the real world, which I can back up with proof, which I'll show you. I'm not an expert. I'm just someone that can show you how to connect A to B and B to C and C to D using real world proof and real world examples of things I've done over the last few years to generate jobs. This is not some vague course. This is a tactical do this, do that, step-by-step guide. It's not some frustrating high-level inspirational video course filled with ambiguous cliches. Instead, this is a guided step-by-step manual on how to implement these techniques using proven methods. The Proven COD course comes in several flavors and level. You can do this completely solo on your own. You can also hire us to help you. Or if you're super busy, you can hire us to do everything from start to finish. It's up to you. To be clear, anyone can do this by yourself. You don't need us at all once you go through the training courses, but everyone's different. If you want different levels of help, we're here. Or if you want us to do everything for you, we can do that too. Are you ready to check it out? Well, as of the time of this video, the course is not done, but it's almost ready. Distribution is going to be limited to one per major market. So even if you're not sure if this program is for you, be sure to sign up today to lock in your slot for your city. To be notified when the Proven COD course is ready, you can sign up at theprovencodcourse.com, or you can click on the subscribe button below to be notified. Also, if you work in the field, check out Fieldpulse. I've tried out just about every CRM, and Fieldpulse seems to be the most outstanding. What really stands out about it is that it automates first call completes. With Fieldpulse, you can actually configure it so that the customer gets a prompt automatically to upload a picture of their model tag, and when they send the picture of the model tag of their appliance, it goes automatically back to Fieldpulse, so you can do your first call complete triaging more efficiently. All the links below are affiliate links, which means you'll get a small commission if you click on the links, and we use these funds to improve the quality of this channel. Thank you.